Technology can absolutely be a tool for God's healing, working in harmony with faith to bring about restoration and hope. The Bible teaches that all wisdom and understanding ultimately come from God. In James 1 verse 5, we are reminded that God gives wisdom generously to those who ask. Modern technological advancements and medical breakthroughs are often the result of human innovation guided by divine wisdom. For example, inventions like MRIs, robotic surgeries, or vaccines showcase humanity tapping into the creative abilities God has given us. Through medicine and technology, we see the grace of God at work in our daily lives. Just as Jesus healed the sick and performed miracles, he uses doctors, surgeons, and medical researchers today as instruments of his healing power. A patient with a life-threatening heart condition receiving a transplant is a clear example. While the surgery involves human effort and technology, many believers see it as God working through those means to sustain life. Testimonies of healing often illustrate this beautifully. Many have experienced miraculous recoveries, successful surgeries, or breakthroughs in mental health, all of which showcase God's hand working through modern medicine. These stories inspire others to see God's presence in both the miraculous and the everyday. Technology and modern medicine are not in opposition to faith but are tools that God uses to fulfill his purpose of healing and restoration. By embracing both, we can experience holistic healing, body, mind, and spirit. How have you seen God work through medicine or prayer in your life? Share your thoughts and stories, and let's reflect together on how faith and technology work hand in hand for God's glory.